going to be taking these baseboards here and replacing them with these. The first two tools you need will be a hammer and a metal putty knife. Step 1 will be demoing your existing baseboards. This is how you're going to start. Put the corner of your metal putty knife in between the baseboard and the wall, and you're going to hammer it in. Once you hammer it in, you're going to start wiggling it to get it a little bit looser between the wall and the baseboard. From here, you can simply pull it right off. Sometimes some of the drywall will pull off with the baseboards, so to prevent this, you can score the caulking with a box cutter or a blade, or you can use that putty knife and drive it along the caulking as you're pulling the baseboard off. The next step is to get out all of these nails. Sometimes you're not able to get the nail out with the hammer, so you can go in with a pair of pliers and pull them out. Once you've taken care of those nails and you've cleaned up your workspace, you're ready to install. For this project, I'm using 6-inch pre-primed MDF boards to give it a modern, sleek look. The main tools that you'll need for this portion is a single bevel miter saw, a nail gun, a measuring tape, and a pencil. As you can see, I've cut my first few pieces. It's important to have the bevel capability with your miter saw so that you can get these 90-degree cuts for your corners. When I go to measure my pieces, I make sure I double and triple check them, especially when I have these rounded edge corners of the wall. I want to ensure that this board comes out far enough to match up with this board. So I'm not technically measuring from the wall to the wall like I am with this one. This inside cut right here, I measured from wall to wall, and I was able to get that measurement from this corner to the other back corner. With this one, it is a little bit different. To get the measurements for a section like this, I'll take a scrap piece of wood that already has a corner cut, lay it against my previous cut, and then I'll take the measurement from this corner all the way to the wall. Say this board is 9.5 inches. It is 9.5 inches from this longest part to this longest part. Once you have your perfect cuts, you're going to load up your nail gun with some nails, and then you'll get to nailing. Once you've nailed in your baseboards, you're going to go in with a white paintable caulk. This is the caulk that I opted for, and make sure that you buy a caulking gun as well. All you'll need to do is caulk along the baseboard where it meets the wall and then smooth it with your finger. Once your caulking dries, you can go in with some white paint, and there you have it.